In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in Miro. Whether you're a frequent user of Miro or someone new to the platform, understanding how to effectively add images to your boards can immensely enhance your productivity and creativity. Let's get started right away. First things first, you'll need to open your Miro board where you wish to place your image. Make sure you're logged in and have access to the specific board you're working on. This is your blank canvas, which is about to be transformed with a new visual element. Once you've got your board open and ready, let's move on to the next step. You'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find a toolbar that's packed with a variety of useful tools for your board. Locate the icon that looks like an upward arrow or a cloud, labeled Upload. Clicking this icon will open up a world of possibilities by allowing you to integrate external elements into your Miro board, enhancing the overall visual and informational appeal of your project. Next, you'll be prompted to choose your image source. Miro gives you several choices, from uploading directly from your computer to selecting images stored in cloud apps like Google Drive or Dropbox. Pick the source that contains the image you want to add to your board. If you're using cloud storage, ensure you're logged into those accounts for seamless access. This feature really exemplifies Miro's versatility and ease of use, giving you more flexibility depending on your resources. After selecting your image source, you'll need to choose the exact image you want to include. Once you select it, Miro will automatically upload it directly onto your board. This process will just take a few seconds. The ability to effortlessly add images means you can work more dynamically and keep your boards visually engaging, ultimately more interesting for viewers or collaborators. With the image now on your board, the final step is to adjust its placement and size according to your needs. Use your mouse or touchpad to click and drag the image to its desired location on the board. You can also resize the image by clicking on its corners and dragging them in or out. This customization allows the image to perfectly integrate with your existing board elements, preserving or even enhancing the overall aesthetic and informational design of your project. And there you have it. Adding images to your Miro board is as simple as that. By following these steps, you can effectively bring your boards to life with visual content. Images not only add value to your project, but can also provide clarity and creativity to your presentations. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating on Miro.